Alright guys, before I wind it up, I just want to make a couple of little pointers. Okay, the rod there that connects the girl, it makes her go up and down like she's jumping the rope. That sits there, and the girl is free to swivel back and forth. It's really very well made, very thought out, this toy. So the girl gives the appearance she's just going straight up and down like you would jumping a rope. And the rooster here, okay, or the squirrel, the original piece. See that cam down there? That bent piece of iron there connected to the rope? As that goes around, it would clip the bottom of the animal. And what that would do is make it tip a little forward and back, a little forward and back, over and over, in timing with the rope. And give the appearance that this animal is helping the bear turn the rope. This toy was really thought out. It really was. It's not thrown together, without thought. It's pretty amazing. And the key is a fixed key, which is I like a lot. The old toys with a fixed key, you don't got to worry about losing the key. So I'm gonna wind it up now and show you how she works. All right, guys. I only wound this toy 3 times because that's all it takes. This toy goes a long way on a full wind. So 3 turns. Here we go. Now come on, how cool is this toy? That is one cool toy. Just incredible, the person that came up with this. Just incredible. Now, if that rod connecting to the girl, if the background was the same color, you would not even see that rod. It would give the total illusion that the girl is jumping on her own. And the next video I do, I hope to have that rooster going back and forth, and I'm going to use a background to block out that rod, so it gives a really true effect. And it's just amazing. I love this toy. So anxious to hear your comments. Please stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'm going to have a little bit of history of the toy and the company that made the toy, as well as a little insight about the value, according to some pretty important auction houses. I looked up and seen this toy, and pretty amazing what the value is. But you got to remember, the company was only in business for about 20 years, so their toys were not super massively distributed, and so they've become very rare over the years. And they made several of these jump rope toys, some with regular kids doing it, others with animals. So stay tuned for the history, and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And please leave your comments. Book 'em, Dano.